Hey guys, it's your boy Johnny LSX. We're here at Sam's Club. We're fucking pumping gas. Gas is cheaper here in fucking the Sam's Club. You go to Chevron or Arco, it's almost what, like $5. So we got the trailer loaded up. We actually came across this fan that he watches me and Jerry. What's your name, bro? Louis. Shout out to Louis. He met us out here at Sam's Club. He's actually from Florida and he moved out here to Vegas. He's saying that it's cheaper out here. And I'm saying
definitely cheaper out here.
And he also has a. Go ahead and show you guys. Let's go. He has this nice Ford right here. Check it out. Sheesh, I was telling him to color match it. Hell yeah. Nice Ford. What are your plans for this truck, bro?
First, I want to put some 24s.
Some 24s?
I'm gonna bag it. You know?
Oh, bag it. Hell yeah.
What you said, color match it.
Yeah, chrome delete. You delete all the chrome and color match it to the truck. That shit would look sick.
And also the bed. When you do the bed, I know you guys do that as well.
Oh, the bed liner? Yeah, we do bed liner. Any color too. Fuck, that would be sick.
Oh, definitely looking forward to that.
Hell yeah. Damn, so we got the trailer loaded up, you guys. That could mean only one thing. We're gonna go pick up another truck. We're gonna go all the way back to Cali, and I'm picking up this truck that I'm buying for my collection. I always wanted this truck, but if the guy gives us a good price, we're gonna go ahead and cash out. But look, I want to show you guys the gas. It's way cheaper than Chevron or Arco. But anyways, let's go and hit the fucking road. Fucking quick pit stop right here at this gas station, but guess what, you guys, this fucking gas station has literally like 90 something pumps. What the fuck, that shit is crazy. Look, lot number right there is 93, and I believe it has hella bathrooms in here too. I come here when leaving fucking Vegas because this is one of my fucking favorite spots. We're gonna go get some fucking snacks and some food because when we went to Sam's Club, they don't have a little convenience store. So let's see what they have in here. Damn, get chulada the gas station. Check this shit out. It's just fucking sick. Fuck, they got, what is this, a DeLorean or some shit? Some James Bond shit right here. Then they got a NASCAR right here. That's just fucking sick. They got the drag radios right here. They got the bodysuit. Literally, the guy that wore this is right here. What's his name? Who knows what the fuck this guy's name is? That's just fucking sick. Damn, look at these chairs. Oh, fuck. Damn, this shit would be sick to have at my shop. Something like this. They got the traction bars, the wheelie bars. Yeah, big ass screen right there. God damn. It's just low-key a man cave right here. What the fuck? Go see what else they got. They got like a candy eye over there. They got the famous Las Vegas sign right there. Candy Village. For those that have a fucking sweet tooth like me. Hot dogs and nachos. Damn, that's just fucking badass. Hell yeah, you guys get turned up out here?
You know, tell me,
hell yeah.
Vacation time.
Where you guys coming from?
Man, we from Vegas.
Oh, you from Vegas?
We live in Vegas. We about to go to the beach. We're heading to Ventura.
Shit, I'm going to Cali too right now. Hell yeah.
Beach,
hey, it's lit.
Already, man. Be good, be good.
You
man.
take care, man. Hell yeah. This is badass. Look at the restroom sign. Literally a fucking plane. God damn, they got everything up in this joint. They even got Bigfoot right there. Se parece a mi compa chulo este way, low key. Oh, that's that motherfucker from the funny commercials right there. Jack Links. That's that funny ass caveman or whatever that be throwing people and shit. Look. What the fuck? Yeah, they got a Red Bull station right here. You know, I love fucking Red Bull. Red Bull over Monster, low key. Not only that, because one of my older brothers, his homie is sponsored by Red Bull too. We got another, oh fuck, Jerry will fucking like this one right here, the Modelo plane. Damn, that's just badass. Even fucking, it's spinning. That's just fucking sick. Damn, this store is badass. You like working here?
It's okay.
It's okay? Got me a fucking veggie wrap. Or what the fuck is this? Buffalo style chicken wrap. Para la dieta. Let's go. Let's go pay for this and hit the road. Damn, this shit's sick though. To Ontario, we had to stop by Walmart to buy some straps because I had one strap that's ripped and I didn't feel safe, you know, loading this truck up. But this is going to be the truck that we're going to be purchasing. His mom just gave me the key, so we're going to try to jump start it and so we can see how's the motor. We already know that transmission is fucked, is caked, is assed out, but we're going to go ahead and try to turn it on and see if it runs or drives, you know. But anyways, let's go check it out. Damn, so my fucking jumper, valió verga, is fucking dead. I'm gonna kill my worker when I go back to Vegas. But this is the truck right here. It is a 2004 GMC Sierra crew cab. The interior is pretty decent. I'll rate it probably a 7 out of 10 simply because of the seat right here is missing like a chunk, like somebody fucking le dio una mordida. The headliner on top is coming off, and then this shit right here is looser than some of your guys' girls. And then on the back, let's check out the back real quick. The back is pretty clean. They still gotta clean it out, get their personal shit out of here. But other than that, everything looks good. Oh, it's missing this right here too. I didn't even notice that. A little trim shit. This one as well. The body, the driver's side, the body is straight, but the passenger side, that's where it gets kind of interesting. We got a dent right here. The passenger door right here, got a dent right there as well. And then this side right here, the corner cab. And then the bed is all fucked up. Inside the bed is clean. It's all fucking scratched up. I just gotta sand it and put some bed liner. Hell yeah. Double sunroof on this shit or what? It's gonna be a budget build, or if not, I'm gonna just fix it up and flip it. But comment down below what price you guys think I'm gonna buy this at. How much would you guys pay for this? What do you think about the truck?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You want to keep it or flip it?
I want to keep it.
You want to keep it?
Yeah.
What do you want to do to it? Drop it, level it, lift it, or what?
I want to drop it. Complete color change.
Complete color change?
Complete color change.
Oh, hell no.
And then, shit. Family donut truck. I don't know. There's Molly truck for the family.
Fuck, you're more crazy. But I'm hoping, you guys, it's gonna fit on my trailer right here. I don't know. I never picked up a crew cab. It might be sticking out a little bit, but I don't know. Shout out to my mom. She let me borrow her fucking tow pig, the Bighorn 4x4. This shit put in work. I hope it puts in work shit. It doesn't leave us stranded. But fuck, I gotta figure out a way how to jump that truck. The owner, well, the son, well, the original owner was an old guy and he passed away, and the truck's just been sitting there. So I'm buying it off of the original owner, and then the lady, she went back inside. So I'm asking her if I could borrow her extension cord so I could plug up the jumper so I could turn it on and get it out of here. And then the son, he said he's like 20-30 minutes out, so he could give me the pink slip, the title for it. Fuck yeah. Loaded up. My bad, I didn't record loading this bad bitch up, but fuck, it was a struggle. Why? Because the transmission is done. It has no first, no reverse, no second or third or fourth. It's all done. I checked if the neutral switch was connected. I checked if the switch selector was good, and yeah, it was all connected, all plugged up. So it is a tranny that's fucking broken. So fuck it. Got it loaded up. Shout out to this little ass winch that put in the fucking work right here. That shit pulled this fucker all the way up here. And I thought it wasn't gonna fit on the trailer, but I have like what, 3 feet right here forward and probably like a foot in the back. And you know, when you're fucking loading trucks up on the trailer, you gotta distribute the weight front and back. If you go a little bit more forward or a little bit more back, then when you're driving, the trailer will fucking fishtail. So we try to avoid that. So I put it, you know, try to even it out the weight as much as I can. But anyways, I just loaded up gas. Shout out to this fucking truck. My mom said we put it in work. Fucking went up the hill like nothing. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and continue driving and go back to Vegas. Let's go. Is the new truck to the channel. Fuck yeah. An 06 GMC Sierra crew cab. The only thing that's wrong with it is the transmission. Comment down below what price you think we paid for this truck. Now that we took a better look at it, I saw some more body damage. For example, right here, all this right here, seems like they fucking kicked this or chucked this shit in. Door handle's all cracked, and this está sumido para adentro. Then there's like a little dings, like BB dings, like little BB gun shit, bullets. The mirrors, I like the mirrors because they fold in. That shit was sick. They folded in. But yeah, this is basically it. I'm fucking tired, viejones. Fucking tired. Straight from Cali and back to fucking Vegas. Gracias a Dios que nada los pasó en el camino. But yeah, except this my trailer wheel, this one, the tire is low. I'll figure that shit out probably tomorrow or when I come back to work. But hell yeah, I'm amazed that the fucking truck fit on the trailer perfectly. I thought this tire was gonna stick out over here. For some reason I was thinking all negative and shit. I know I'm not supposed to be thinking that way, but it fit beautifully on this fucking trailer. But hell yeah, let's go. I'm about to go home, shower, eat, and knock the fuck out.